Good evening. My name is Maria Mayra Gomez Rodriguez. I am going to talk about the metaphor taking into account an experience. Well, our interior is like an invisible machine that talks us if I am going well or badly and handle the course incorrect. The machine does not stop working. This cool down and is man. There is joy we do, remorse. Camila is partner accurately describes like experiences and tells us about values such honesty. That is family small situation. The readiness of the human being that Camila is seen. Well, she uses paths, tenses appropriately. There are aspects that must prevail in everything we do. One, doing what we like, regardless of the materials and constantly adapting ourselves to have more tools and provide a better service to our communities. Money is necessary, but not the most important thing. Literally is a difficult value to think when you have it not to you. It is treasure. Well, life does not stop since we are born. We begin to life, context, experience, and each moment is a comparison with you, family, study, and work, and values within spiritual, social, political, and environmental that we mark or not. Being grateful for the opportunities they provide us makes us superior and richer than any millionaires. Thank you for your attention.